In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create citations using Grammarly. If you're writing a paper, a report, or even a blog post, and you want clean, correctly formatted citations. Without the hassle, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to use Grammarly's AI chat to do it quickly and confidently. First, open Grammarly in your web browser and head to the AI chat area. You'll usually see a chat icon or a panel labeled AI Chat within the Grammarly app interface. Click it to open the conversation window. This is where you'll interact with Grammarly's assistant and guide it to create the citation you need. Once the chat is open, type a simple request like, "Can you create a citation?" You don't need a fancy prompt. Grammarly will reply by telling you what information it needs. Typically, that includes details such as the author's name, the title of the work, the publication or publisher, the date, and any identifiers like a URL or DOI. It may also ask which citation style you want, such as APA, MLA, or Chicago. If you already know your style, mention it up front to save a step. Provide the information you have as clearly as possible. You can paste the title of the article or book, include the link if it's online, and add any known dates or page numbers. If you're missing something, just say so. Include what you can, and the chat will still format the citation with the details available. The more complete your information, the more accurate the final result will be. After you send those details, Grammarly will generate the citation in the style you requested. You might receive both an in-text citation and a full reference entry, depending on the style. Take a moment to read it carefully. Look for correct capitalization, italics for titles where required, punctuation, and the order of elements. If anything looks off, or if you want a different style, simply ask the chat to revise it. For example, "Please convert this to MLA," or "add the page range." When you're happy with the result, copy the citation and paste it into your document. It's always smart to double-check the citation against your instructor's or publisher's specific guidelines and to verify that links and DOIs work. If you need multiple citations, repeat the same process in the chat for each source, keeping your details organized so the assistant can format them consistently. That's it. By using AI chat inside Grammarly, you can move from raw source details to polished, properly formatted citations in just a few moments.